Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video, we'll be constructing a pair of tangents to a circle from exercise 11.2. Question says, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. What it means is we have a circle, okay, and we'll have to draw tangents to the circle from some external point, say P, this way, this way, okay. And what we need to do, and it is said that they are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees, which means this angle is 60 degrees. If this is the center, what we also know is the radius from the tangent to the center is 90 degrees. What means is here it will form 90 degrees, and here too it will form 90 degrees where the radius meets the tangent. Now this area, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this actually forms a quadrilateral, and the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So if this angle is 90 degrees plus this angle is 90 degrees plus this angle we know is 60 degrees, total comes to 180 plus 60 is 240. 360 minus 240 is 120. That is the angle that is formed here. So first we'll have to draw a circle that is having a radius of 5 centimeters. Then we'll have to construct angle 120 degrees over here. So let's begin first by constructing a circle having a radius 5 centimeters. I'll take a measurement on the scale as 5 centimeters. That's 5 centimeters. Now that we have constructed a circle of having a radius of 5 centimeters, just mark this center as O. Next we'll just draw a radius. That radius is obviously going to be 5 centimeters as well. So from any point on the circumference like this, right up to the center. Okay, done. Next we need to construct 120 degrees, okay, that is at O. So what we'll do is we'll look to construct 120 degrees. We know to construct 60 degrees actually. Well, we construct when we construct a perpendicular 90 degrees, we do cut the arc for 120 degrees. I'll show you how. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking it, drawing an arc, just the usual way how we do it for perpendicular, and we first begin with an arc this way. Then I'll take the same measurement, keep it over here. So when I cut this first arc, this becomes 60 degrees. When I keep the pointer on this particular intersection and cut another arc on this main arc, this becomes 120 degrees, the intersection between the two. Our next job is to mark where the two arcs intersect, and then from O we will draw a line passing through this intersection and meeting the circumference of the circle this way. Okay, and now the arc the angle that is formed out here is got to be 120 degrees. Okay, Next, we know we need to draw 90 degrees from here and from here. So from here we'll have to draw a perpendicular. So usually how we construct a perpendicular, that's what we'll do, taking this point as our center. Before we do that, we'll mark this as Q and this is R. And now we'll construct perpendiculars for both Q and R. So just switch this over, construct an arc this way. Okay. We'll keep this out here. Cut this arc here. Then from where they intersect, cut another arc here. Another arc out here, extension, and where the two arcs meet here, I'll keep the pointer and cut this arc. So that's one. Then we'll do for another one here as well. Here you go. Then from here, cut another arc from their intersection where the two arcs intersect. Keep the pointer there and cut another arc and draw another arc here. Then from this intersection, I will cut this first arc. Okay, now we just need to draw lines, the perpendiculars. Let's begin with this one first. Mark this point here. And I have to draw a line from this point passing through this intersection out here, like this. Okay, and that's our perpendicular. We have not been given the length of the perpendicular, so I've just drawn a ray down there. Okay, draw this over here. Then I'll do the same from here. Keep it here. From Q passing through this intersection out here. Okay. So you see I've drawn the tangents. Actually they are perpendicular to the two radii OQ and OR, and this external point P, okay, that will become our 60 degrees. Okay, so PQ and PR are our tangents, and the two tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees, and that is what we were asked in this question. So this is 120 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. And now if you look for the measurement of PROQ, or any way you take it, OQPR, the sum of all angles will become 360 degrees, and because this is a four-sided figure or four-angle figure, this becomes a quadrilateral, and the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, and you can add them up and you will find that they all add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so that's it in this video. If you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.